Ng'ombe. Mimi ni binadamu mnaniita ng'ombe.
I like but it. So you remember that. So it's like this. I just said, or in reference to what I just said, that all our basis of associations or relations are measured or measured by the cows that we exchange in the process. So for sometimes we form friendships. If I meet someone and I think this is a cool guy, and older men do that, you know, they say, I like this young man, I like you so much, I want you to be my friend, I'll give you a cow. So when they say a cow, that is metaphoric. You know, I want you to be my friend. It means we need to have a bond of association so we are more than friends. So if I was the one who is being told like this, and I kid you not, I pretend to be smart. I try to be I'm on Sally Smarter, the channel. See, I will ask this question.